So I got a new camera stand. It's kind of nice.
Howdy folks. I wasn't able to record the actual issue I was having with the Jetta. It kind of freaked me out. The first drive I went for after the initial starter replacement was up to the gas station. And when I got there, shut the Jetta down, and it did, but something kept running. It sounded like a fan, just constant zzz. So I popped the hood and I noticed the starter is just stuck on, like on full tilt, just starting, it had been presumably since I left the house. So by this point, I'm kind of freaking out. I don't have no tools. I can't restart the Jetta. So I couldn't even take the terminal off the battery. So I went into the gas station, asked the lady if she had maybe an adjustable wrench, or if they maybe sold them. And no, shit out of luck. I asked two people while I was waiting, and while the starter was starting to smoke at this point, they didn't have anything either. One of them mentioned, have you tried just giving it a love tap? So I went to the trunk, grabbed the actual wrench, lug nut wrench thing you get, and proceeded to tap the solenoid on the starter, and it quit. So yeah, it was quite the experience, and what led into making this second video here. So if for whatever reason, and this isn't really particular to just this model VW, it can be any starter at all. I think what had happened was during the remanufacturing process, the solenoid on that particular starter didn't seat, it didn't stay put, so it was tweaking just a little bit. And I noted on the new starter here, they marked it with a line so you can tell if it tweaked at all. I noticed while tightening up the positive terminal to the old starter, the junk new one, with the plastic housing twisted just a bit, just a little bit. So yeah, it was random. It wasn't every single time. There was a couple of days I actually drove it like that, and I would just continuously tap that solenoid whenever it's stuck on. It got me from point A to point B, but I don't like having things that can leave me stranded.
So I ended up warrantying out the starter. What I found was this guy right here. They were nice enough to mark it this time. I was getting some turn out of it. I guess that shouldn't do that. My only concern for the new remanufactured one is, yeah, I mean, guess it'll work, but it looks kind of chintzy. We will see. So the starter goes in like this. You want this extra tab to be on the bottom. Actually, let me pop my head in there, see if I can. See if there's anything else going on. Yep. And there's a whole bunch of sparklies down here I never noticed before. Let's see if I can't get you. I don't think you can see this. Yeah, you can kind of see them. It's all over the bottom in here. Yeah, see all them sparklies? That's not good. Alrighty, let's get to it. First test fire, Mark 1. I really wish I knew what that hissing was all about. Yeah, I did the same thing last time. And sometimes it fires and we do just fine. Other times they just stay on, so. I think we got her. So I guess we're just gonna throw this all back together and just hope it's fixed. Let's scratch that. What we're gonna do is let this thing come up to temp. And then we'll test on it again and see if it's maybe heat related. I can't imagine it being. They don't really make too much sense, but you never know. We're right around operating temp, so we're going to go ahead and test on her again. I think we're golden.